are some really nice little handles. They come with the big long screws and the shorter screws depending on how thick your drawer width is, and we'll show that in here in a minute. And these are really nice. They're each individually packed. There's 4 in a pack. Let me get this open real quick so you can see what it looks like. And look at there. Try to get the ring light off of it. But they look really nice. They're nice heavy duty steel.
When you go to install your drawer, you have to take out your old handle most likely. And you just got to find the spot. There we go. Once I get it started, I usually just take off the outside. And then push your screw through. Mine didn't come through, so then yank it. Now, if you can have the old screw and match it up with the new one, this one's much closer, and you have the much longer one here. Now, these are really cool because you can break them off to make them what size you need. So even though this is longer at this point, I could actually break it way down to here and be much shorter. In order to get the proper length, you want to match up the 2 screws, and that may be too short, so I want to try it a little bit longer first, since that screw is too long. So to do that, keep my spot there. I want to grab with one side, pliers here, and then I want to grab another pair of pliers on top of the head here, and then I just gotta wiggle it back and forth. And you see how it bent that a little bit? Hopefully you don't do that, but if you do, you can always just kind of straighten it back out. Might be easier if you use the actual knob. Put it on there, get it down to where you need, and then just tweak it back a little bit. And there, it's close enough. Put my pliers away. Take my screw here, if I can find the correct hole. There it goes. Push it in. Take my screwdriver. If I can find the slot, there we go. And on the outside, and I think it might still be too long. No, there we go. And again, you want to make sure that this is lined up where you want it. And then hold on to your knob and tighten it down. And now it's finished. And there's your finished product. And it is really nice.